Welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, we're going to remedy a little situation that I found while installing the Volvo power steering pump on Frankie. Well, I guess it's not really a problem that anybody created but me, because I added more electrical components to Frank's. But that's fine. We're going to deal with that today. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I will say I did buy this at O'Reilly, but you can get it cheaper on Amazon, and I will throw a link in the description to the part that we're using today. Today we're going to be using a starter solenoid for a Ford truck. I'll give you the part numbers all below in the description so you can copy and paste them, but I'll also tell them to you. And provide a link to the one on Amazon, which is honestly the cheapest one I found anywhere, but I'm impatient. This is the Motorcraft part number right here, the SW1951C. That is the original Ford part number right there, which is an 89 truck. Now if we come over here to the solenoid itself, that F5TU is a 95 truck. You'll be able to find that on one of those. So anyway, so if you look down here, we got these, you know, side by side, and if you look, we run out of lug a lot faster. That's these right here. We run out of lug a lot faster on the original setup here. This is still the original Ford solenoid. So when I put in the Volvo power steering pump, we put it to right here because I didn't have enough threads that I felt comfortable putting that on. Right now, I'm gonna dehookify this, and we're gonna get to work. We're gonna need a 5/16, and I want to say this is a 9/16 or 5/8. We'll find out in a minute. I am going to do my absolute best to stay out of your way. I've noticed a couple of my videos where I've done this, my head gets in the way a lot. I'm assuming that these are the same size. Yes, sir. I'm gonna undo this. This one comes from the key. So when you turn it forward, it actually energizes this side, which goes to the starter solenoid down there. So your wire just may look a little bit different over here. You might have an all-out battery cable on your side here. That's all that goes on this side. All right. Now we're just going to take this thing here, slide all this stuff right off. And now we want to put this one on first because, you know, recesses back further than anything else that we're putting on here. This is our charge wire. The way to hold this in is 2 bolts. And they are a pretty coarse thread. They come out quick. That actually has an 87 truck part number on it. Now, do not over tighten these. I don't know anybody that's done it before. Yes, I do. But those are fun to straighten those holes out if you get them all cattywampus inside. Alright, I'm gonna have to get us a couple of halfsies so I can get this off of here. That's the reason I haven't tightened that up yet. Okay, guess I only needed one. Alright, now, this is always my favorite part. Okay. Man, I like that. Actually, kind of wish. Put this, there we go. Okay, I think I'm okay with all this now. Now we gotta do that hooked up, and we should be good. All right, so that's gonna do it on this one. Just a little shorty. So if you're adding things like electric fans, an amplifier, electric steering, you're gonna need a little extra room on that lug, or maybe you make another panel somewhere else. I didn't want to do that for one stupid lug. This made a lot more sense to me overall, speaking wise. So let me just show you. I have this Taurus fan. I got the Volvo power steering down there. If you're gonna have these things, you pretty much need to have a 130 amp 3G alternator. I appreciate you guys watching, as always. If you haven't done so yet, subscribe down below, hit the like button, and I do have links down below. Those are Amazon affiliate links. If you're gonna buy some of this stuff, I'd appreciate it if you use my links, because that helps me as an Amazon affiliate. I literally don't get much at all for it. But to be an Amazon affiliate, you have to have so many, you know, like 2 or 3 sales a month for them to keep you on board. If anything else, just help me stay an Amazon affiliate for now. Yeah, okay. Enough of that. Peace.